Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, my fellow crafters. Welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. This week in Storytime, we are talking about something that you encounter during the wintertime. Some places, maybe not so much here in Florida, but we are talking about ice. So there are lots of different things that ice can make up, and the craft that we are doing this week is a house made of ice. Do you know what that's called? It's called an igloo. So you will get everything you need to make this cute little igloo. And wait a minute, who's there? Oh, look, it's Mr. Penguin. He is inside his igloo, ready to open his door and say hello to you. So what you'll get when you come by to the library, either to do express checkout or curbside checkout, you will get your blue construction paper and then everything that you need for your igloo. You've got your penguin here, his house, and the door. So what you'll do is color all this in, well, your penguin anyway, everything else is white, that's pretty easy. You will cut that out, you will glue your penguin into the doorway, and then your door you're just going to glue along the one side so that it can still open and let guests in, right? Of course, other than this, you will need what you kind of always use for your crafts, right? Your crayons, your glue stick, and your scissors. And I just used my white crayon to draw some clouds and some snowflakes on there. So sometimes here in Florida we do have to pretend when it comes to fun wintertime things, but pretending is half the fun. And of course we have loads of really cool books in the Rainbow Room that talk all about ice and snow and all the other fun wintertime things. So I hope that everybody has had a wonderful holiday season so far and continue to do so. We'll see you soon. Bye.